Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Breville Barista Pro, and pretty much what was happening with it is that the 4 meter, this one right here, was leaking a lot out of the back, which was leaking through the drip tray. Then we replaced this knob with this custom metal knob right here. And that's pretty much all we did to this machine. Now we're going to test all the functions. We're going to start with the grinder. This is the 5th grind setting for 11.5 seconds. Alright. Then we're going to pour a double shot. I'm going to stop it prematurely because it is going to pour a little bit more than this little cup. But just to test that it goes past 5 seconds. Now it's pouring. Again, I didn't measure any of this yet, so don't worry about that. Good shot. Then we're going to test the hot water function. Pushing the lever up, as you can see. Comes out well. Then we're going to test the steam function. As you can see, working well also. That's everything for this repair. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.